From leaf-sucking aphids and root-eating nematodes to plant-smothering weeds, garden pests abound. A plant pest is any organism that damages or disrupts plant growth. Opportunities constantly arise for pests to threaten and disrupt the productivity of farms, gardens, and urban landscapes. Integrated Pest Management, IPM, is an environmentally sensitive approach to controlling pests. The goal of IPM is to effectively control pests with the least possible hazards to people, property, and the environment. Using a well-planned IPM provides growers with a variety of strategies. Growers can use a combination of cultural, physical, biological, and chemical controls to help manage pests. These controls include the use of natural enemies, disease and pest-resistant cultivars, and crop rotation. The main benefits of IPM are the maximization or minimization of hazards to people and the environment, as well as effective pest management.